Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AutoTech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams front and rear in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams front and rear in 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates, thank you. Number 1. Introducing the Wolfbox G900 Rearview Mirror Camera, the ultimate dash cam solution for your vehicle. This state-of-the-art device features a stunning 12-inch smart touch screen that seamlessly integrates with your rearview mirror, providing clear visibility and easy access to all functions. With 4K front and 2.5K rear recording capabilities, you can capture every detail on the road, ensuring you have comprehensive evidence in case of incidents. Equipped with advanced WDR, wide dynamic range technology, the G900 excels in various lighting conditions, delivering crisp images day or night. The built-in GPS feature tracks your speed and location, enhancing your travel experience and safety. Additionally, the backup camera provides extra support while reversing, making parking a breeze. Experience peace of mind and superior protection with the Wolfbox G900. Elevate your driving experience with cutting-edge technology that prioritizes your safety and security. Invest in the Wolfbox G900 rear view, mirror camera and drive with confidence. Number 2. Introducing the Pelsee CP2 Plus 4K Wi-Fi rear view, mirror camera, the ultimate driving companion that combines cutting-edge technology with convenience. This sleek 12-inch mirror dash cam features stunning 4K resolution, ensuring crystal clear footage of your journeys. The dual camera setup captures both the road ahead and behind, providing comprehensive coverage for enhanced safety. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access and share your recordings directly to your smartphone. The included 64GB card offers ample storage for all your driving moments, while the integrated GPS tracks your routes, speed, and location. The P12 Plus also features smart driving functions, including motion detection and loop recording, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or parking, this rearview mirror camera is designed to keep you safe and informed. Upgrade your driving experience today with the Pelsee P12 Plus, where safety meets innovation. Number 3. Introducing the JOMISE 4K plus 2.5K Detached Rear View Mirror Camera, a game-changing addition to any vehicle. With a 10.88-inch touchscreen, this mirror dash cam delivers crisp, Ultra HD 4K front and 2.5K rear recordings, providing unparalleled clarity for daily drives and essential footage in case of incidents. The sleek, upgraded design offers a larger display, making it easier than ever to view real-time footage or recorded videos. Its advanced parking assistance mode ensures precise guidance while reversing, reducing blind spots and enhancing safety. The camera's high dynamic range, HDR, captures clear images even in low-light conditions, perfect for night driving. With an easy installation process and a user-friendly interface, the JOMISE Mirror Dash Cam is ideal for anyone seeking premium quality, security, and modern tech for their car. Drive confidently with the ultimate road companion, the JOMISE 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam. Number 4. The G900 4K plus 2.5K Rearview Dash Cam brings exceptional clarity and safety to your driving experience. Equipped with a 12 inches IPS screen, this dashcam displays ultra-clear visuals in both 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, allowing for comprehensive footage of your journey. With wide dynamic range, WDR technology and a 170 degrees field of view, the G900 ensures vivid detail in low light and high contrast settings, capturing every moment with precision. Integrated GPS tracking provides accurate location data, while the Rearview Mirror Stream media feature offers a real-time rear view for added safety. Designed with convenience in mind, this dashcam includes a hardwired kit, ensuring continuous power and parking monitoring. The G900 is an essential tool for modern drivers seeking high-quality video, reliable performance, and a safer, more connected drive. Number 5. Discover the Wolfbox G840's 12 inches 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a state-of-the-art, all-in-one solution for driving safety and convenience. This advanced 4K dash cam features a stunning 12-inch smart rearview mirror with dual front and rear cameras, delivering crystal-clear 2160p Full HD quality. Ideal for both cars and trucks, it captures every detail of the road, enhancing your driving experience and ensuring you stay protected. Equipped with night vision and a smart HDR system, the G840S guarantees clear footage even in low-light conditions. It offers a seamless, real-time view with anti-glare technology, so you can drive confidently day or night. The touch-sensitive display is intuitive and easy to navigate, putting every essential feature at your fingertips. Upgrade your vehicle's safety and style with the Wolfbox G840's Mirror Dash Cam, and enjoy a new level of driving security and clarity.